Hey, hi there friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to create a simple UI design, right? Just a landing page. Okay, with the help of our wireframing, we'll learn how we can use wireframing to put design easily. Okay, so without wasting much time further, let's get started. Okay. First, just as usual, we need a frame. Select MacBook Air or whatever which you want, right? I always prefer this. So first I just want a border radius of 20 and fill to this much black. Good, fine enough. So in a landing page, what we can see is a heading, right? For heading, we can use here a rectangle shape here. We can edges, so we can height here like 600 and 100. Border radius to 20. Again here, we can align into the center. Okay, fine enough. Then there is I'm duplicating this, so we don't need, just need to adjust 30 and 120. 120 is just too short. 300, fine enough. Okay, and duplicating it one more time, good enough. One more thing, I need a button here, so I'm duplicating one more time and adjust its width to 120, fine enough. Okay, this is a paragraph and a button, CTA. We need a scroll down, however, like, so I'm making an ellipse here. It will be 120 by 120, just here, and a rectangle shape here, so I'm duplicating this one and adjust its width and height. We want 250 by, let's say, 500, or just shorter than this, 400. Good enough. Place it here. Okay, good. Again, okay, let's take this one, duplicate this, and we can place this here for the logo, and another one here for 80 for a menu button. Apart from this, we can adjust this here and give it a fill change to discriminate this for the followings. So I guess, okay, or else we can try much to adjust with the border radius to 50. Let's see what happens. Much more like a cylindrical shape. Just here. Okay, fine enough. Okay, so we are ready here. So we are duplicating this frame. Okay, so in this we are going to give it up. Final touch. All right. So first I'm giving a background to it, right? So I'm using a plugin called, what we say, Unsplash for the images. As this will be being an architecture, so I'm selecting your architecture. Let's find a good image for us. My dark image. Okay, what we can use is okay, get it up. Not getting a good image. Okay, it will be the best. All right, and I want one more image for this. Let's always choose a dark one here. Internal one, no, the same thing, same. All right. Okay, this looks fine here. Okay, no worry. So we are done with the images. Now it's time for uh heading, right? So here adding some text. I've already got some here. So first of the following thing is to put the heading here and place this text here. All right, bring it closer. Use a font called Belleza with regular 22, right? We can, I just think, right, to increase the font size to 23. All right, good enough. Again, I'm duplicating this text, bringing here. With the same text, I'm using 130. Alright, and making this text as visible white for now. Good enough. So I don't need this following things. Delete this instead, and this as well. Place it back here. Okay, adding a text to the button. Get a virtual tour. Alright. Just change the fill to white and this black box to this color for now. I'm changing this font to 20. Okay, adjust with this more enough and select both text and this rectangular. uh, Click on right click and give it as a add auto layout to it. Okay, center. We can keep padding to this right word like 10 and 4. Good. Okay, fair enough. But before we can go here, was check the width and height of this frame. So it's 1280 by 832. I have to create this rectangle here. Height as for the frame 832, and the border radius is 20. Okay, now it's time to add a gradient. Check out the gradient color. We can check from the fill here. I just want to keep some. And the next one will be like a little greenish. Okay, set the adjustment for like what we want. Alright, and set the transparency to it like 60, or alright, let it be. Give it 100. Set the transparency from here. For now, I'm removing all the elements from here first. We'll adjust later in the frame. Now we can set the opacity of what we want. So I'm just trying with the 10 first. Can't see. Okay, we have to choose this from here. Or Control Z. Alright. So Control Z, we will have opacity again 200. So I'm trying with 30. Control Z again. Let's try with 50. 50 is fair enough. But before we can place it here, I'm pressing again here. We want some shapes here, right? Like rectangle. Okay, with rotary radius 10 or 20 again. I'm making it to 400 by 400. Preparing here. It's too enough big, so 300 by 300 will be fine. Okay, alright, we don't need any fill, but with the stroke, so I will be giving it a stroke here. Or let's try with the gradient one. Okay, let it be with the gradient. We need only solid, so little fleshy, and now no fill. Okay, let's try out with this particular thing. I'm duplicating this all. Okay, so again I'm just trying to make it 2. 2 is not fair enough. Let's try with 3. 3 is okay. Let's give it 2.5 and make it center. Okay, good. Duplicate this many times. Now group them all. Center. Now group Control G. Duplicate. Sorry. 250 by 250. Making the tier. Select them all. 0. 0. Okay, fine. Or guess 280 will be perfect. It's all about hidden trial to make a perfect design here. Okay, and again I'm just trying to do a 0 here. Okay, let's try it. Duplicate this one time, one more time. Select them all again. Make it a group and place it here. Okay, let's make it one more time. Okay, we need one more scroll here. Me ungrouping it. Duplicate. Okay, now it's fine. Shift the frame a little further. Group them again. Now let's try with this. Oh, okay, good. Okay, that's what we want. We can try one more thing here where it says it, make it a little stronger. Fine. Now we can place this thing here and zoom it. Okay, fair enough. Now we can set the opacity to 50. Alright, that's what we want. Okay. Little adjustment now been pending here. Now we can group this one here. Place it here. Set the opacity to 50 again here. That's what we want, I guess. Yes, that's what we want. Right. Okay, so half of the work has been done, right? Let's create the element back again to the place. Okay, let's zoom out, zoom in, sorry. So I guess things are been seems to be perfect here. So let's place the first logo in the very first, and the heading here. All right, let's okay, fine enough. The menu bar still here. Okay, good. There's a text. Frame. Zoom in. Okay. Okay, actually, oh, we will set it up. Okay, so first what I do is let it be here. I want a text to be rounded and there will be arrow. Okay, so, okay, let's go back to the plugin. Add the text. Scroll down, scroll down. Set the size to 20. Generate one. Alright, because now we don't need this helper again. That's why. Okay. Alright. Let's check out what happened with this. Nothing's. Okay, now we want uh, some icons, so I'm using Iconify. I just want a menu bar. Okay, it's already there are menus, so which can we use? Let's use this and arrow. All arrows are upward. Let's try this one. Okay, I'll finish. Zoom it. Remove the icon from the frame. We don't need the frame. Minus 180 and increase the font size to 20 and 23. This works. Select them all. Center. Good. It's time to decorate the text first. Change this fill and use this one again for the arrow. Similar, and we were using a color for the stroke here. This color and with no fill. Alright. And now we will group them all with Control G so it won't move. Let's see. Okay, for same for the icons. Stroke, same color. Alright, remove the frame. This icon yes, we need to increase by 25, 23. Place back to the top of the place where we have this. Okay, cast to increase the stroke here. Good enough. Remove this. Right, it's working. Or cast. We need to add here something. We can add 30 by 30. Let's try 50 by 50. Okay, back to the place.